Sometimes hush mouth grace is the best option. Hey everyone, I'm Yolanda Tonet Sanders, and this is your Writing Tip Tuesday for April 7th, 2026. Today's writing tip is depth over noise. Not everything needs your commentary, but what you do say should carry weight. We live in a time when everyone is sharing opinions, reacting quickly, and pushing out constant content. But strong writing isn't about saying the most, it's about saying something meaningful. Take your time, think deeply, write with intention. Your goal isn't to add to the noise, it's to offer something of value. Until next week, happy writing.